Church office, hello?
Hello, kuse church office.
Yes, church office, can we help you?
Yebo mfuna ukubuza ukuthi lingaba le charger efonela omlomo omncane usindorindori.
What church? This is church office, police station.
Kade church office lichajani. Lisebenza ku chargani khona bantu lithe charge office. Ngifuna ukucharge ifoni mina.
No, you're lost, my friend. We don't charge phones here.
Isiba lost njani?
Police station.
Yes.
We do with the criminal cases.
So why lingathi criminal office? Why lithi church office lichajani khona into
We
lizichargani?
don't charge phones. What's your problem?
I-problem lithe charge mina ngifuna i-charger yefoni elomlomo omncane lichajani lina.
Look here, my friend. Don't be a problem. You get arrested.
I'm not being a problem. I'm educated. I'm a progress. Why lingathi criminal office?
Don't waste my time.
I'm not wasting
Bye-bye.
your time. Papa, mana hold. Ulichacha why lingathi criminal office? The city
You get
charge.
into trouble.
Akuna trouble engena kiyo. What
This is
trouble?
police station.
Yes, I get
Don't
that.
deal in churches.
So what are you charging?
Bye-bye.